I'm all ready to cook my meal in my overlanding trailer. Oh shoot, it doesn't open. Oh, and you know what else is really weird? The drawer opens up on this side, so I'll be standing outside of the awning. What if it's raining? Gosh, this setup just doesn't make any sense.
So the solution was we had an old freezer shelf that we had. So I tried to figure out a way to make this work so that we could store the cooktop and also use it on top of here and make sure that everything stores away for us. So what I did is went to Menards and I ended up buying some rubber chair grommets, and it ended up drilling it out and tapping out to 832 screws. So these are permanently fixed. The other thing we had is I found this car clip that I'm using as my back. In order to get this to line up with this, I had to buy 2 flat fiber washers, and that was 79 cents. The other thing what I did is I installed a rubber grommet in the front as my other pivot point, and that was a 5/16 inside diameter and by 7/16. So as you can see, we can lift up the top, take this out, put it on top of here, and now we can cook underneath the awning. Simple solution for under $3. All right, so set it on top of here, and now we can open it up and cook easily underneath the awning. Done. So for under $3, simple solution.